In the heart of Japan, in a remote village, nestled between towering mountains, there lived a man who was the embodiment of mystery. His name was Legend of Tokubei. Clad in an ancient kimono and triangular straw hat that concealed his face, he wandered the land, known to his villagers as the mountain sage. They said he lived for hundreds of years, a guardian of ancient secrets and supernatural wisdom. Legend has it that Tokubei was once a renowned adventurer who traveled to distant places, acquiring knowledge of magical arts and secrets of the universe. Upon his return, he chose a life of solitude, residing in the misty mountains, where he could be close to nature and the powers that inhabited it. On one full blood moon night, a young traveler, lost and weary, stumbled upon Tokubei's hut. The old man welcomed him with a warm fire and a cup of sake. They sat together. The old man shared some of the deep wisdom and mysteries he held within. What is the secret to true enlightenment? The young traveler asked. Tokubei smiled, and with a twinkle in his eye, he said, enlightenment is not a destination, but a journey. It is in the appreciation of the present moment into the understanding of oneself, harmony with nature, and the universe around us. As the night wore on, Tokubei shared stories of his adventures. The evening felt magical, strangely supernatural to the young traveler. He realized that he was in the presence of a true master of the arcane arts. The next morning, grateful for the old man's wisdom, the young traveler journeyed back to his village. He felt a newfound sense of purpose and clarity, knowing that he had been touched by the magic and mystery of Legend of Tokubei, the mountain sage. Years later, the traveler became a renowned storyteller, sharing the legend of the mysterious old man with a triangular straw hat. And so the legend lives on, not as a story, but as an enduring quest for understanding and enlightenment. To this day, the legend of the enigmatic figure who held the secrets of the universe beneath his triangular straw hat lives on in Japanese folklore.